How to cut with rotary blade on Silhouette Cameo 4. Step 1. First, load a fabric design to cut into the media. Step 2. If the design is ready, go to the Send panel. Step 3. Collapse Tool 1, as we're only going to use the rotary blade for the project. Step 4. If you are using the rotary blade for the first time, twist the collar to expose the blade. Step 5. Insert the blade in carriage 2 with the flat side facing the back. Step 6. Push the lock tab to lock it in place while holding down the blade. Step 7. Once you insert the blade, it'll be detected automatically in the Send panel. Step 8. Select the material from the material drop-down. Step 9. Draw a bounding box over the design to select, then select Rotary Cut. Step 10. With the appropriate material and tool selected, the cut line will switch to Smart Cut. Step 11. The Smart Cut will have some extra cuts to orient the blade in order to cut corners and change positions for new angles. Step 12. The blade will cut the extra lines shown in the preview screen. Step 13. Now, check the cut settings and make adjustments as required to ensure a clean cut. Step 14. It is advisable to use the lowest force possible. Step 15. Once done, click Send to cut the design. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.